Hello guys, I'm Luciano and today I'm here to show you another video about how I take care of my system. Usually when you get your system, the brand new system is not cut, doesn't have the pre-cut. What happens is you have to do this by yourself or you need to bring this to some place. In my case, I do it by myself, but what happens is usually when you put the system in the mold and you cut, sometimes one side of your head is different of the other side. Sometimes one side is more shorter than the other. So you guys has to have an idea how to do this. So today I'm gonna show you guys how basically I cut my hair system. So hope you guys enjoy it. Let's do it. So as you guys can see here, I have all the material I need to cut and to prepare my system. I have this head that I bought here just to make sure everything's gonna be firm when I'm cutting. I have this mold here that I made by myself. You guys can find this on YouTube, how to make, or if you guys need, I can make a video showing you guys how I make this. And I have this to cut, so this cuts really sharp. I have this and I love cutting with this actually. So what I want to show you guys today is this system from LaVivid. I'm gonna cut this system today. So you guys can see this brand new system here. The front line is not cut. So one thing I want to explain you guys about my hair system when I cut the front is I need to understand that the mold was made for my head, but when I place the system in the head, the system is upside down, so the mold has to be upside down too, because for example the left side and the right side of my head is different. Another thing I want to explain you guys, when you cut your system, you have to understand that the mold is the size of your head. So when you cut, you need to cut a little down of the line, so you make sure you're gonna have like extra space and you're not gonna make your system too shorter. And you see here in the front we have like a huge line of system. It's because I want to cut right in the line and make sure I have extra in the front and in the back, just in case I need to fix something. So you see here in the back I have a short space. So I just place in a way that I have a little space in the back and a little space in the front, and I'm not gonna lose my system in case I cut this wrong. So when I start cutting, as I told you guys, I come here and I make a little dots just to make sure the system it's understanding, like it's cutting and it's not damaging the system. So I pull a little bit, not too strong, and I just keep doing like dots all around the system. As you guys can see here, I just keep doing dots until they start like connecting each other. And this is gonna make like the system cut but not damaging at all. So I just keep cutting here until I make sure like I match with the other one, as you guys can see here. And I do this basically all around the system and always under the line that I did by my base. So that red one is the line of my base and I do under that. So I know I have an extra system in case I made this wrong. So my system is completely cut. As you guys can see, all around the system is cut already. So the first thing I do is I get my mold and I make sure I'm turning my mold back to the normal position. So I start taking out the extra hair from my system, okay? And here it is, all my system cut. And this extra, I always save this because you never know when you're gonna have to replace some piece of your system. So it's good to have this. So that's it. This is how my hair system is gonna be. I'm gonna show you guys here. Now I have to tape all the system and in the front I have to cut. As you guys can see, in the side everything is cut already, and I just have to place in my head, tape, and make the haircut. Hope you guys has enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys need something. Thank you again, LaVivid, for all the support, and see you guys next video.